Welcome to IntelliSport Tennis Instructor Guide Section 4. Today we're going to talk about the beginning of a tennis lesson. The first thing that you want to do when you start your lesson is you're going to take a client profile picture. You're going to have a laminated sheet with the tennis levels listed. You're going to circle which tennis level they're currently at. You're going to have the child hold that up, and you're going to take a picture of them. Just as we've seen before, you're going to add that picture to their profile. This way, we know exactly where they started off and where they'll end at the end of their lessons. E-sign waivers and pending documents. Ensure that if you see any important notices on the client's account, such as missing waiver or missing terms and conditions, that they sign that before the lesson starts. You will not be compensated for any lesson that does not have an e-signature on file. Generally, when they sign up for their lessons, they're required to have the e-signatures on file. But for whatever reason, if they do not have those e-signatures, it is your responsibility to have them sign it at the time of the lesson. So before the lesson starts, they must have that on file. Check client in. We went over that earlier, where you check the client in, similar to clocking in, by hitting the green check mark. Before you start the lessons, you're going to perform 1 to 2 minutes of stretches. These are general arm and leg stretches to avoid any cramps that they might get while on the court. Lastly, since this is the beginning of your lesson, you just met the client, we need to know what they know. So you're going to say, show me what you know. If they know how to hold the racket or serve the ball, then that's what they'll show you. This will give you an idea of where you want to start teaching them from based on the tennis levels that you'll receive. Thank you for tuning in to Section 3.